Hello everyone, this is Mihir Solanki, first year MBBS student at Dr. SN Medical College, Jodhpur. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about the MCC All India Counseling and Rajasthan State Counseling. So first of all, let me give you my introduction. So myself Mihir Solanki, and I am in first year MBBS at Dr. SN Medical College, Jodhpur. My NEET score was 690 out of 720 and my All India rank is 3743. So let us begin our today's video of NEET 2025 counseling. So first of all, we discuss about the choice filling. Let us first actually see the schedule of counseling processes. I am having this schedule. Here it is. So as you all know, the registration process and payment for round 1 is been started, and the last date of payment facility is up to 3 p.m. of 31st July, and it was over. Let us discuss about choice filling. Choice filling of round first was extended up to 11:55 p.m. but it was later extended. I am having it old one, but in new curriculum it was also extended from 1st of August, I think. So the choice looking is 1st August, 3rd August. It is extended for 3rd August. So the result has been shifted as the choice filling has been extended. The old schedule has been extended, and so let us discuss how you should have to do choice filling. Choice filling for MCC All India Counseling. So choice filling for MCC All India Counseling, you have to firstly target the top medical colleges and that only have AIIMS, I think. So your first choice should be AIIMS New Delhi, and on second position, if you are residing outside Delhi, that means if you are resident of UP, Rajasthan, MP, or I consider MP, Bihar, Maharashtra. At the second position, you should consider AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Bhopal, AIIMS Bhubaneswar. If you are residing outside Delhi, but if you are residing in Delhi or an NCR region, you should go for Maulana Azad, MAMC, and after that, at third position, you should go for VMMC. If you are residing in Delhi or Delhi NCR region like Noida, Gurugram, that's the best choice. But if you are residing outside the Delhi region, the second position should be done for AIIMS Jodhpur or AIIMS Bhopal or AIIMS Bhubaneswar according to your state or your distance. Like if you are from Rajasthan, your first choice should be AIIMS Delhi and second choice should be AIIMS Jodhpur. If you are from MP, your first choice should be AIIMS Delhi, second should be AIIMS Bhopal. If you are from that eastern region, your choice at second position should be AIIMS Bhubaneswar, and that's quite clear. So at third position, let's discuss about the residing outside Delhi. Like I am from Rajasthan, so what should I have to fill my choices for the MCC round? So first is AIIMS New Delhi, second AIIMS Jodhpur. If I am residing in Rajasthan, then it's AIIMS Jodhpur. For third position, I am going for Maulana Azad. Fourth for VMMC. Fifth position, it should be AIIMS Bhopal. Sixth should be AIIMS Bhubaneswar. And AIIMS Bhubaneswar. At seventh position, according to me, I am gonna consider it. Sure. Then you can go for Delhi colleges are good actually. They have internal due quota. You can go for UCMS and RML. Then after RML, at ninth position, you can have any AIIMS of your choice. Like for me, last year, somehow I don't get that college, but my favorite college was AIIMS. My favorite college is AIIMS Rishikesh, but I don't get that college. Then you can go for Chandigarh, GMCH. At 11 you can go for PHU. For 12, now you can look that we have done all the AIIMS which were established, except I am looking left one. It's AIIMS Patna. These are all 2016 AIIMS and they are well established right now. So from here till here you have a good list of colleges. After that you can go for GMCs, well established GMCs like SMS Medical College Jaipur, and it is KGMU Lucknow. And at 15 we have BJ Ahmedabad. Let me tell you that BJ Ahmedabad is, I have seen that hospital and it's biggest hospital I have seen ever. As it has every department and it's a well established college. If anyone willing to have a standard of living now, we should go for BJ Ahmedabad. That's good college I think. At the level of BJ Ahmedabad, the same college and at same standard of BJ Ahmedabad, there is SET GS, which we call KEM Mumbai. KEM Mumbai, that's a well pretty established college, and of this level only there is Grant. It is JJ Mumbai. It's also the oldest college of India. At 18th position, I am putting the AIIMS Nagpur. Here also you can see that this AIIMS Nagpur, if you are residing outside Maharashtra, or you can actually put this AIIMS Nagpur above, AIIMS Nagpur below this AIIMS Patna. That's also a pretty good choice. At 19th position, we will put, if someone is willing to have work for, or we can say AIIMS, and if only someone was on the AIIMS, then he can choose AIIMS Gorakhpur, AIIMS Bathinda, AIMS Rajkot. And I told you you can have AIMS Bilaspur also. Actually, I am not in favor of taking for AIMS, that is AIMS Devgarh, AIMS Jammu, AIMS Madurai, AIMS Bibinagar, AIMS Guwahati. Actually I am also getting this AIMS Devgarh and Jammu Madurai etc. But due to the distance, and these AIMS are actually new, they don't have that much infrastructure, so I don't have taken these AIMS. I go for SNMC Jodhpur, as you know. If you have no distance problem, or your family can afford you to go that much distance, you can fill these colleges. I actually don't prefer this colleges actually. But if you are from Patna side or Kolkata side and getting this college, you can have a new choice. Another beautiful AIMS we have is AIMS Kalyani in Kolkata. In Kolkata I remember this AIMS Kalyani, West Bengal. It's also beautiful AIMS and has good ranking. Another AIMS is AIMS Raebareli. AIMS Raebareli actually 2018 AIMS, but its infrastructure is going at much slow rate. New AIMS like AIMS Bilaspur has overridden it. Don't know what the projects are. Now let us talk about the Rajasthan. So this video is actually going to be too long, so let's do Rajasthan State Counseling in part 2. So comment, like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and if someone is taking SNMC Jodhpur, you can contact me for review on my Instagram. It is me here, Solanki_94. You can message me freely for the review of SNMC Jodhpur. I will try to reply you as soon as possible. Actually, we are having a strict schedule right now. Today's our PUC is our practical exam on PUC today, and there is a gap of 20-25 days, and we are having a UEC, or it is our final prof exam, first MBBS. So I have somehow taken out time for making this video. So finally, show some gratitude and thank you. Subscribe.